Hey guys, I'm Bodie Blaisdell. I am Jenna's nephew, and today I'm going to teach you how to make slime. It's pretty simple, and I have it right here. Whoops. So, first, half a cup of glue. Second, half a cup of water, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of saline solution. The saline solution must have sodium borate and boric acid. And food coloring is optional. You can do it, but if you don't want to, then you don't have to. And step 1, you pour the glue into your mixing bowl. Step 2, pour water, add food coloring, and stir. Step 3, pour baking soda and stir. Step 4, pour saline solution. If the slime's too sticky, add more saline solution. Bye.